Welcome to Biology. Biology. Hey, Biology.
This collaboration is hosted by Diva Designing on the Dime with Kimberly Davis. If you don't know who she is, look in my description below. So I was on the hunt for something that I know I really could use, so I scored on this wreath. So let's get started. This is the wreath that I found, and it came from Goodwill, and it was $5.05. So I want to recreate this wreath to meet my standards for my front door for the fall. So let's get started.
Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. Come meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire. No. So give me when I want it, baby, 'cause I got what you need. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Slow dancing in the night, yeah. I wake you up inside. I want you close and tight. Yeah, I want it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire. No. So give me when I want it, baby, 'cause I got what you need. Oh, just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me, give it to me,
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem, man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. Whatever, and I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty.
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my